So without further ado, let's type exclamation mark and hit enter to continue from where we stop. So before we stop at part 1, so now it is sealed. We are going to continue at part 1 because it's a part of this kind of we split it into different parts because it will be much more easier. So firstly, let's open the preview of what we are doing. I mean, like to see the preview, so you can search for under extension preview to see what you are doing. Yeah, to see your work beside in BS Code, beside your code. You can see your work beside BS Code. So let's take a look about this kind of template. So when we look, we can see type document, doctype HTML, and we only use a head inside. We write like invisible things. I mean, like between this head tag, opening and closing head tag, we can write only like things that they are not appear on our page, like title and other things. Inside the body, we can write only the important things. I mean, like the thing that we want it to appear as our homepage, the structure of our homepage, we write it between body. But this kind of HTML, you can see HTML open view, like language equal to English, and between head, like you can see, we have head sections. I mean, we have a two head, open tag and closing tag of it. We can write our CSS over there, or like external link. We can embed like maybe point our some icons and maybe Google point icons, so we can put the link over there in order to use it in our programming. But don't mind, in the future I will do many things and doing different kind of project, so you can understand what I mean if you didn't get it here. So in the future I will show you step by step. So in this kind of little bit preview, so we are going to start introducing HTML. I mean, like writing the code between body tag. I told you, if you write a code between this body tag, it may be visible in your browser like v tag. Yeah, because I'm using BS Code, it make me so easier to write. So I can use P. You can see that if I enter P, so I can hit enter. When I write a P, I can hit enter to completion my tag. So because that's why I recommend you to use BS Code. So let's type welcome. The P tag is taking the entire block. It means like the entire line from like from page side to another side. I mean like the entire line block. It means not like working beside with the other element until you turn it into whatever you like when we reach the flex box or grid, so we can talk about that. But now we're talking about P tag. So we write welcome to welcome, and we write Barca. So all are the p tag. So we use like different kind of things to write in p tag. We can write many things and many things. Welcome to, we are gonna write welcome to like coding world. So we can write many things because we take a p as a like how can I say, you can mention it as a heading because we can mention it as a paragraph. Yeah, it's a paragraph itself because it takes the whole entire block. It means like when you write p tags, it means like not beside all the element, it will take the space uh, by itself. Yeah, entire block from beginning to the end. So you can see we write welcome Baraka and welcome to coding world. We use p tag. So that is the p tag. So let's talk about another things like button. So because HTML has many different tags, but in the picture we don't need no need like to use button. I will show you another kind of way. But button tag, it's a close and open tag. So we write button and we write some new inside of the button. It means like whenever we click on this button, it's talking about like an action. For example, like click me, sign up button, like login button. So it means like button. Button, we call it button. So it's easy for you to click it. Like text area, it means like we need a space. I mean like so when you look at this, that you can see it's not taking the entire block line between button and the text area. So because button and text area, they are not a block line element, it means like they are not a block line. They, I mean like they are not taking the whole entire from the block between paste to the between like beginning to the end of the page. So I add br, it means break. Br, we can mention it as a breaking tag. It means like I wanna this button and text area to be not like in the same line, to break the line to the under the line. So text area, it may be good to write a lot of amount of text, not like short text. It means like you can write a huge, maybe a message, you can write a long message and send it, not like a sign up button or login button. So not like input, not like normal input during like login password and something like that. So we mentioned the area as a area text name as a barker, so we are going to add placeholder. Placeholder, it means like telling you what you're gonna write inside of this box. For example, like a message, you can say write your text or write your message here. It means like we are noticing you and we specifying you what you are going to write on this, or we are going to write on this space. So now we expand our BS code in order to see more and more many things. So just don't forget, just it's an introduction to HTML. In the future, we're gonna do a lot of kind of project by using this syntax and tag. It means like a repetition of you. We can use it to repeat many tags in order to be good for you if you keeps hands on practice. So we add another input like type text. This input we add break because we want it to be on the under this one, not in the same line. It means input type text. I mean, I need you to write a text. I can feel like input type email, input type password. So, but I write input type text. I want you to write a text over here, maybe like a username, maybe yeah, a username because I haven't specified. So let me write the placeholder and maybe I say write your name. So I mentioned that I want you to write your name over there. So you can write many things. My name is 3D. Let me write a 3D over there. So you can write whatever you like because all the specification that we give you during like placeholder is telling you what you are going to write inside of it, inside of the space that provided for you in order to write something. So placeholder is specifying you what you're going to write. Like the first one, we say text area, placeholder, write your text. And the second one, we say input, type text. Placeholder, write your name. It means like we want you to write your name here. I said 3D is my name. Yeah, 3D is my name. So let's go ahead and break it. We add BR and we're gonna use another input tag. If I write input type, so here you can write this kind of type. You can use whatever type you like a password, email, or a number. It means like you want like or like I mean like it's so prohibited to write text over here. Only supported number. It means only support number, not like text support. It means whenever you intend to write a text, it will never be written over there. So only you can write a number. For example, like I can mention one to something, yeah, like this. So I write many numbers. Yeah, because it only for numbers, doesn't require to write a text or something related to it like that. So make it placeholder. I say maybe like a placeholder. Let's tell you what you are going to write in here, like a phone number. So you can write your phone number. You can write like maybe address number, maybe many things related to numbers. You can write it over there, but only we specified you it's a number. Don't write anything that are not a number over there. So only per number. Let's break it down and continue what we doing. So the reason why we break it because we haven't start HTML yet, but when we haven't start CSS. So when we start CSS, no need to break it. So we can use CSS to make it like so astonished and good looking. I add break because I need more space between them, under them, like you can see br in order to make enough space between them in order to be good looking. I mean like in that. So but you can use format document to format your document to be good looking, but in the picture I will show you how to do that. So let's continue by using our input. So we add another input. So I've told you input is so many kind of things, many like types of input. So we're gonna use like radio. It means radio it's a cycle. So you can like check the cycle or you can leave it. For example, like when you see a web like choosing between two items, so you can feel maybe like agenda. I say like choose your agenda, so you can check the radio button, male or female, or like others. So this is provided for this kind of things like checking gender or something like to specify to choose something between maybe multiple option, so you can choose between them. Input radio. So let's break it down and continue what we looking. So don't forget this video was supported by IT Exploit X, and you can check out our many videos related to coding or related to cybersecurity. So let us continue and break the line. It means BR. So hit enter because it may give you like not much. It may give you easier to give you a that. So let another. This one we use checkbox. You can see a checkbox in the like maybe login page by by asking you to check the box. It means you accept the terms and condition or something else. So if you know like how is it, so it would for you to know how it works using it. Maybe you want someone or somebody to check the box by accepting your terms and condition and click on login or sign up. So we will do many things. Now we're gonna show you we call it comment line. Instead of deleting a code, we can use this one to comment the entire line. So just I use it to write a text to separate between input and normal kind of text. So these are the input that we have, but not all of them. In the future, when we are doing another like project, yeah, I mentioned you before, we are going to do a lot of project. So when we are doing project, we will show you more and more way to use different kind of tag, but some tag is not necessary. When you learn more about other tags, no need to focus on all of them. No need to learn all of them. So you can maybe use a little bit, not like all of them. So text submit. So this may allow like the call pom tag to submit. It means like a button to submit whatever you write in your like in your input. So you can use submit. You can see it like a button type, but it's talking about submit. It means like not like a button directly, but either submit. In the future, I will explain more and more because we are going to learn more about pom tag. So in the future, we will discuss on it like that. So don't forget, if you are new in this YouTube channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and give it this video a thumbs up and share to your friend and your colleague. So that is the end of this video. At the end, we mentioned many things like fee tag, like button, input, text area, and even input type submit. So let us catch on another video.